Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OPPO Reno13 FS. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Then click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now, and here you can turn notifications from this app, or you can click not now again. And now you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and here you can select your tuple placement, or you can click save and continue again. And now, as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.